The universe is filled with mysteries that are as captivating as they are bewildering. From the microscopic world within us to the incomprehensible vastness of space, there are countless facts that challenge our understanding of existence. Here, we explore mind-boggling truths that will make you pause and reconsider your place in the cosmos. Number 1. The observable universe, an unimaginable expanse. The observable universe stretches about 93 billion light-years in diameter. To put this into perspective, a single light-year is approximately 5.88 trillion miles. This immense scale means that the universe we can observe is just a small portion of the entire cosmos. Recent studies using data from NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe suggest that the actual universe could be at least 250 times larger than the observable portion. This vastness challenges human comprehension, making the universe almost beyond the scope of our imagination. Number 2. The human body's cellular army. Your body is an intricate network made up of approximately 37.2 trillion cells. Each cell is specialized, forming tissues, organs, and systems that work in harmony to sustain life. These cells constantly regenerate. For example, the stomach lining renews itself approximately every few days to prevent damage from digestive acids. Even more fascinating is that each type of cell has a unique lifespan. Red blood cells live for about 120 days, while some neurons in the brain can last an entire lifetime. The complexity of this system underscores how miraculous human biology truly is. Number 3. Atoms, the building blocks of existence. The number of atoms in a human body is estimated to be around 7 octillion, 7 followed by 27 zeros. These atoms include hydrogen, which accounts for about 63% of all atoms in the body and is the most abundant element in the universe. These atoms originated from cosmic events, with hydrogen atoms forming shortly after the Big Bang and heavier elements like carbon and oxygen produced in the nuclear fusion within stars. When stars die, they release these atoms into space, enabling the creation of new stars, planets, and eventually, life itself. Number 4. The age of Earth. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old, a figure derived from radiometric age dating of meteorite material and Earth's oldest minerals. Human civilization, by comparison, has existed for only about 6,000 years, dating back to the earliest known forms of writing and organized communities. To put this into context, if Earth's entire history were compressed into a 24-hour day, modern humans would only appear within the last few seconds. This realization highlights how minuscule our time on Earth has been compared to its long and storied history. Number 5. The sun's power. Every second, the sun emits approximately 3.8 by 1026 joules of energy, which is enough to power human civilization for 500,000 years. This energy originates from nuclear fusion in the sun's core, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. The sun is so powerful that only a tiny fraction of its energy, about 1/billionth, reaches Earth. Yet, even this small portion sustains all life, drives weather patterns, and powers the photosynthesis that forms the basis of the food chain. Number 6. Galactic abundance. There are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing millions or even billions of stars. The Hubble Space Telescope and more recently the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed galaxies that are billions of light years away, dating back to just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These galaxies range from small, irregular systems to massive spirals and ellipticals like our Milky Way. The sheer number of galaxies and their diversity point to the potential for countless planetary systems and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Number 7. Our place in the Milky Way. Our solar system resides within the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. The Milky Way itself is a barred spiral galaxy containing an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. It spans roughly 100,000 light-years across and is part of a local group of galaxies, including the Andromeda Galaxy, which is on a collision course with the Milky Way and is expected to merge with it in about 4.5 billion years. Understanding our solar system's position helps contextualize our place within a much larger galactic neighborhood. Number 8. Quantum oddities. Quantum particles defy the rules of classical physics and exhibit behaviors that challenge our understanding of reality. For example, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement involves particles becoming so interconnected that changes to one instantaneously affect the other, regardless of the distance between them. This was famously described by Einstein as spooky action at a distance. Moreover, quantum superposition allows particles to exist in multiple states at once until observed, fundamentally altering our perception of what is real and raising questions about the role of consciousness in physics. Number 9. Speed of light. Light travels at an extraordinary speed of 186,282 miles per second, 299,792 kilometers per second. This speed means that light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, providing us with a glimpse of solar activity that happened minutes earlier. When we look at distant stars, we see them as they were thousands or even millions of years ago. For instance, the light from the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest major galactic neighbor, takes approximately 2.5 million years to reach us, offering a window into the past. Number 10. The mystery of black holes. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Formed from the remnants of massive stars after they collapse, black holes warp space and time, creating phenomena such as time dilation, where time moves slower near the event horizon. Observations from the Event Horizon Telescope have provided the first images of black holes, confirming Einstein's general theory of relativity. The study of black holes continues to reveal fundamental insights about the fabric of the universe and the nature of space-time itself. Number 11. The reach of human DNA. If you unraveled the DNA in all of your cells and laid it end to end, it would span about 67 billion miles, which is equivalent to 150,000 trips from the Earth to the Moon. Each cell contains about 6 feet of DNA packed tightly into a microscopic nucleus through an elaborate system of folding and coiling. This compact structure holds the genetic information necessary for the growth, development, and functioning of all living organisms, emphasizing the complexity of biological life at the molecular level. Number 12. Stardust origins. The elements that make up the human body, such as carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, were formed in the nuclear cores of ancient stars. These stars, which burned for millions of years before exploding as supernovae, scattered these elements across the cosmos. This process of nucleosynthesis is why Carl Sagan famously said, "We are made of star stuff." The atoms that form the Earth, our bodies, and even the air we breathe have been recycled over billions of years, linking us to the universe's ancient past. Number 13. The brain's complexity. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections with other neurons. This results in an estimated 100 trillion synaptic connections, surpassing the number of stars in the Milky Way. These connections enable our cognitive abilities, including memory, emotion, and complex thought. Despite decades of research, many aspects of brain function remain a mystery, including how consciousness emerges from neural activity. This complexity makes the brain the most intricate and least understood organ in the body. Number 14. Teeming life in soil. A teaspoon of soil can host over 1 billion microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. These tiny creatures play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposing organic material, and promoting plant growth through symbiotic relationships. The sheer number of microorganisms means that each square foot of soil is teeming with life that contributes to the health of ecosystems. This microscopic world underscores the importance of soil health in maintaining life on Earth and the intricate balance of ecological systems. Number 15. The Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox addresses the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life in the universe and the lack of conclusive evidence for it. With approximately 100 billion stars in the Milky Way alone and an estimated 6 billion Earth-like planets, the question arises, where is everybody? Some theories suggest that intelligent civilizations self-destruct. Others propose we are in a galactic quarantine, or that advanced life is so different from ours that we fail to recognize it. The paradox remains a topic of intense speculation and research. Thanks for joining us on this mind-bending journey through the wonders and mysteries of existence. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.